Hey there, entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of fitness app development. Ever wondered what goes into creating an app like Planet Fitness? In today's video, we'll explore every aspect of it. Planet Fitness has become a household name, offering in-home workout guides in video and text formats. It caters to users with busy schedules, providing easy-to-follow workouts without unnecessary strain. The app's digital workout videos are a game-changer, allowing users to choose routines based on their fitness goals. How to build a fitness app like Planet Fitness. Now, let's delve into the fitness mobile app development cycle. 1. Foundation phase. Start with in-depth market research, analyzing apps like Planet Fitness. Understand user behavior, key features, and revenue models. The more you research, the better you can plan the app development roadmap. 2. Technical documentation. Prepare detailed technical documentation regardless of the development model. This document outlines project objectives, team responsibilities, potential challenges, and more. 3. UI and UX design. Craft a unique UI experience for your app. This phase is critical for user engagement and helps users navigate workout routines, video guides, and live sessions in a breeze. 4. Development. Once the design is solid, the development team starts coding. Whether it's a native iOS app or a cross-platform one, like React Native or Flutter, developers use different technologies to bring the app to life. A robust backend ensures a seamless user experience. 5. Testing and quality control. QA experts run the app through various scenarios, checking for bugs and implementing necessary changes. Both manual and automated testing are employed to ensure the app is ready for a user-friendly experience. Essential key features of a fitness app. Now, let's talk about the features that can make your fitness app a hit. 1. User registration and onboarding. Streamlined and easy user registration, ensuring a swift onboarding process for instant engagement. 2. Personalized user profiles. Customizable profiles for users, trainers, and administrators, ensuring tailored experiences for each stakeholder. 3. Specialized service offerings. Personalized workout assistance, custom nutrition plans, and interactive features for a user-centric fitness experience. 4. Goal setting and tracking. Empowering users to set and track personalized fitness goals, enhancing motivation and progress monitoring. 5. Third-party device integrations. Seamless integration with wearables and activity trackers for enhanced user experience and health tracking convenience. 6. Interactive workout sessions. Engaging live sessions, video guides, and interactive features to make workouts enjoyable and effective. 7. Real-time tracking. Integration with fitness trackers for monitoring vital signs, providing insights into users' health and performance. 8. Push notifications and reminders. Personalized reminders and push notifications to keep users motivated, informed, and on track with their fitness goals. Let's discuss the development cost of building an app like Planet Fitness. Although, the overall cost of developing a fitness app like Planet Fitness depends on several factors such as the project's complexity, UI and UX design, tech stack, and much more. If you're planning to build a fitness app with basic features, it will cost you around $25,000 to $50,000. However, incorporating advanced features in your fitness app will cost around $80,000 or above. Now that you have a roadmap for building your fitness app empire, let's understand why you should choose Apptunix as your fitness app development partner. 1. Expertise. Apptunix specializes in fitness app development, ensuring your app meets industry standards. 2. Cost-effective solutions. They offer flexible pricing models, making app development accessible to entrepreneurs with varying budgets. 3. Timely delivery. Apptunix strives to deliver your app on time without compromising quality. Building a fitness app could be a challenging but rewarding endeavor. With Apptunix, you can turn your fitness app dreams into reality. If you're ready to dive into the fitness tech world, we are here to help. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.